Damn, that was hard.
I just killed you. Top hat. Yo.
Here we go. All right. Yo, check it. First of all, my name is Siege. I want to welcome you to my channel. Today's a very special day. Actually, very interesting. Interesting day because I got a message, and this is I think I want to call him a special guest. And you know what? Let's just bring him along. Come on, man. Have a seat. Yeah, have a seat. Good. All right. Good. First of all, what do I even call you, man? I don't even know what to call you.
Top hat.
That's a cool name. That's a cool name. Well, welcome to the show, Top Hat. And second question is, why do you want us to disguise your voice, man? What's the
Privacy,
mysteriousness?
fool.
Why?
Protect my privacy.
Okay, I respect that. You want to stay private and totally understandable. That's why you got the mask and all that stuff, or
You know this,
because the
man.
COVID thing. What is it?
COVID.
Okay,
What?
yeah, all right. So
Man, shut your mouth.
why don't you let me know and why, and let the audience know why you want to be on the show today?
Yo, cause I'm the best.
Yeah, okay, so you're the best at what? I mean,
Dancing,
juggling,
fool.
basketball, what are you the
Man.
best at?
What you think?
Right, okay, what style? You know,
Everything.
okay, all the street styles,
All them
right?
styles,
I mean,
man.
I understand. So you're here to kind of, what do you want to do? Show the world that
I'm
you're the
here
best,
to challenge you.
Okay, you
because
wanna
I
challenge
am
me?
number
Oh,
one.
okay, that's gonna be fun. That's
You
really interesting.
Over.
I don't know how we're gonna do that because just me and you.
What?
And there's
What
really
you
no
talking about,
judges
man?
here.
They'll
Unless,
judge.
we could post it up and let the internet judge to see.
That's what I just said.
How we do.
Let them
you down with
judge.
that?
Hell yeah, I'm down. Down like Charlie Brown, baby.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So, do you have an idea? Do you want to propose something? Like, how do we do this?
Propose something.
Maybe.
What the hell are you talking about, man?
Is
You
probably,
talk too much, man.
We could play a few bars, right? A few
beats, yeah, a few beats. Now we're talking about a few bars, a
you
few
do
beats.
something, and I try to follow it. Let's just see who stays on the beat.
I'm gonna stay on the beat,
Who
fool.
can maintain, and
Yeah.
who can do what the other can, And let's just see how it goes. You down with that?
Shoot, man, what you talking about?
All right, man.
Always
I'm
down.
cool with that. Let's do it. Let's head to the other room and we'll
Yeah,
try to
man,
get
stop
down.
talking.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Shoot, let's just dance. Talk too much, man. It's fool.
All right, guys, here's a challenge. This guy right here is going to challenge me on popping. So he's going to go first, and then I'm going to go. So he does 1 8 count. I'll do the second 8 count. And the third and the fourth 8 count, we're both just freestyle pop. All right? DJ B1, let's hit it. Piece of cake. You ready? DJ, hit it. Woo! Woo! That was tough.
Man, that was easy.
150 beats per minute. All right. Here you go, DJ. Let's go. Damn, that was hard.
I just killed you. Top hat. Yo.
Woo, man, that was dope. So, guys, welcome back. We just finished our little session, a little challenge. I gotta
killed
give
him.
mad props to this boy right
That's
here,
just
Top
what we
Hat.
do.
He did it. We started out pretty cool. He got some pretty good pop in, pretty good ticking right there. And I gotta
Power
give
to
it
the
up for him
people.
because, in the end, that 150 beats per minute was actually too much for me. But this boy
Yo,
kept
it's
going
easy
on.
if you train like me.
Mad love, mad respect to you, man. I appreciate you for coming out.
Yo,
and
it's
kinda
all good in the
demonstrate,
hood, you know what I'm
to
saying?
me and to the internet what you're able to do. I would love to have you come back, showcase
Yeah, schedule it,
other
man.
styles that you're good at.
Dude, you talk too much, man. I just gonna sit back and chill.
In the internet land,
La-di-da,
in the
whoopity-doo.
YouTube world, can appreciate it. And drop in the comments below if you want to see more
subscribe.
Top Hat down here showcasing
Subscribe
stuff.
to Top Hat.
So, I give it up for him, and much
Hit that
love.
thumbs up. Thumbs
Have
up.
fun, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Top Hat, appreciate you coming out once again. I hope you had fun.
Thumbs
and
up.
we'll build upon this. All right, guys, we are out. Make sure if you haven't liked,
Yeah, man.
hit
Like
that
that thumbs up.
Yeah, exactly. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it.
Sharing is
See you
caring.
in the next video. Peace. We out.
Top Hat. Thumbs up. #1. I'm out.